Hi everyone! Today I want to show you how to make Dark Sweet and Stormy. Dark and Stormy is the national drink of Bermuda. In today's variation we'll just add another layer to the already complex flavor of the drink. I don't have Bermuda Rum and it's really difficult to replace one rum with another due to the variation in their flavor. However, the only British style rum I have on hand is this Jamaican Appleton Estate. So it is what I'm gonna use today. Let's not waste more time and start with the drink. It's really simple. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna fill our glass with ice. Okay. To that we're gonna add 1 ounce or 30 ml of rum, preferably Bermuda rum, but I'm gonna go with Jamaican rum, as I already said. To that, since it's a variation, we're gonna add the same amount of 30 ml or 1 ounce of coffee liqueur. I'm going with Ziffer. Not enough. Luckily I have another bottle. Okay. Then we're gonna stir a bit. Okay. And we're gonna add to that 4 ounces or 120 ml of ginger beer. You can eyeball it. I will try. Okay, I'm gonna mix a little bit. Don't mix it too much in order to preserve as much of the bubbles as possible. And we're gonna add some more ice. Which color? Okay, so I put a green straw and we're gonna decorate with a lime wedge, and that is how we make the Dark Sweet and Stormy. Let's give it a try. I would not lie to say that I like it, and the explanation behind it is I'm not much of a fan of ginger beer, ginger ale, or generally ginger flavor, so I definitely notice the spicy bite of the ginger beer, but it's not overly whelming. It's quite tasty, and you have the rum notes and this coffee, and especially the sweetness from the Giffard coffee liqueur. It's really similar to Kahlua as a level of sweetness, to give you kind of a idea, and the original recipe anyhow called for Kahlua. So I definitely like the drink. As I said, I didn't expect it to like it that much. It's quite spicy, but in a refreshing way. It's not overwhelming. So yeah, I'm really happy with this recipe. So if you are curious about it, just give it a try and choose for yourself. And please feel free to let me know in the comments down below if you like it or not. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.